Okay, hi guys. No! Today I will be continuing on assembling of the engine for the GTI that I am restoring. And today I will be putting crankshaft, new bearings, oil pump and oil pan. So hope you enjoy it. In the meantime, I will be trying to tell you some tips about working on the engine. So stay tuned. Remember, when you are putting new bearings on the engine, you need to always loop the place where you will be putting new bearings. Main bearings caps, if you took them off from the engine and you don't know in what order they should go back on, the caps have numbers on them, and for example here is number 1. I don't know, it will be seen or not. My camera don't want to zoom it. You have to believe me that here is number 1, and number 1 goes from the timing belt, and next will be 2, 3, 4, and the last one is 5. And for the rod caps, they are not numbered, so I am always marking them with a pointer. So this one, for example, is for the third cylinder. So I will be putting the main bearings on, tightening them, then I will be putting the rod caps on and also tightening them, and later I will be putting the end plates with new seals. Okay guys, so remember that when you start to bolt the main caps bearing, that you need to start from the middle and tighten them to maximum of a 65 Newton-meters. About the rod caps, when you want to screw them on, remember to first put oil where the nut will meet with the rod cap, and tight the nuts with 30 Newton-meters, so it will be tight tightened with the right specs. Okay guys, that's all for today. I did the bottom end of the engine, and also the thing that I didn't record is the replacements of the oil pump cam bearings, but it wasn't the difficult task, so everybody can do it. Hope you enjoyed what you saw today, and if so, leave a like, leave a comment, and maybe subscribe, and see you around.